In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by launching Settings and scrolling to tap on this section called Google Services. Then click on All Services here. And finally scroll to tap on Google Password Manager, which is this section called Autofill with Google. Now scroll again and select it here. Now, to edit any password, just tap on it and enter your current screen lock. Then select Edit button and change whatever you want to. Once you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!